Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your boy, Lemonade Snipers, back again with another video. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are back again with another video with more Fortnite. So, let's get started. Oh no, I died. Hold on. I'm gonna float down. And let me just equip my gun here. Yes, I do have a shield potion, so I am good. I'm moving some brick real quick. Let me get some brick. There we go. And maybe get some wood here too. There you go. Oh, cool. What? Oh, he's gonna try and hide. I know him. Yep, he was trying to hide. Does he have a shield potion? Does he have a shield potion? Oh. Hey, kill this kid. I'm gonna get this kid. Oh shit. Are you serious right now? There you go, kill him. Should used his shield potion, but he didn't. More me and more you. Yes, shit. This dude's trying to kill me. Not with the long shot, buddy. I'm keeping my health. I'm keeping my health good. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh. Come on. There's the battle buses if you guys are not believing me. Come on. I know there's someone around here. I know there's someone that's gonna start shooting soon. Boom, I knew it. I knew there was someone right there. Oh, shoot. Go shoot that kid. Woo, woo, woo. Oh, crap. Snuck up behind, but that's fine. We can easily just float back down here. Oh, whoa. bum 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 blah, na 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 na. And am I even trying? It looks like I don't know. Am I? Alright, so just in case, because I'm not sure. And let me also pull out my parachute. Oh, 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 oh. Ah. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Kill this dude. Yeah, I'm employee Fortnite, so. Oh my god, woo! Can you imagine what it's gonna be like when she goes bye-bye for when she goes to school full time? And she doesn't have me around her? Looting some stuff. Oh my goodness. Let me just keep looting. Dead. Dead also gonna die, so because why not? My controller's a little bit off for damage. Flipping geek. Flipping health geek. Health geeker. Huh? Oh. This is a longer kill. Yep, that dude was a longer. Yeah, you're watching me, huh? I know people are gonna be shooting at me. Well, I called it. I called it. I called it. I called it. Shield potion. Shield potion. I got a shield potion. I have to use that a good time now. Oh my god, I gotta heal. Come on, loot. What? I can't do that. I thought you want. Amy will do it or no phone. Get in your crib or no phone. Yeah, he'll die. He'll die. Yep, he's gonna die too. I was regaining, but I'll come down. Oh, oh, oh. Oh shit. Health pushing, damn it! Okay, let me get someone here. Oh, yeah, that dude's gonna die real quick. I'm kind of busy recording at the moment, so if you see my Discord, that's fine. I'll mostly open that up here and there. I'm not supposed to open that up. Let me go hide real quick from anyone that can cause me to die in game. I need to hide, I guess. I need to hide. Let me see. Hold on. I am wrecked now. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh. And make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a like and comment down below what you think I should do for another video too, guys. Because I make good content. Ooh. Oh, yo. Am I really gonna win with this dude? Am I really gonna win with this dude? This would be a good time for a whipping back up right now. Yep, you're dead. And now I'm gonna hide because I need to hide in here and shield. There we go. There's my health. There's my health. I had to heal. I'll use the shield potion if I need it. Oh, yep, I'm gonna need it. Shield potion. Yes, double kill, let's go. Yo, let's go. This is good. Oh my god, are you serious right now, you noob? You noob. Nobody wants noobs. You have to be a pro at Fortnite to play. To play something like this, you gotta be pro at it. Like, pro at it. I know I'm gonna be getting a lot of requests to go different destinations and different... Oh, there's a person right there, Newbiness, who's never really even played. Nobody's even played this game, and they already suck. They already suck at this game really badly. Suck. Really suck at this game. Huh. I know, just feeling any other place. This